Today's medical-centric topic is: what are broccoli sprouts? Nutrients, benefits, and recipes. You've heard broccoli is a superfood, but have you tried broccoli sprouts? These tiny greens look like alfalfa sprouts, but don't let their size fool you. They're nutrient-packed, surprisingly powerful, and gaining major popularity for their potential health perks. So, what exactly are broccoli sprouts, and why are they worth adding to your plate? What are broccoli sprouts? Broccoli sprouts are the young seedlings of the broccoli plant, usually harvested just 3 to 5 days after germination. They're small, crunchy, and slightly peppery in taste, almost like a radish. Though they come from the same plant as full-grown broccoli, their nutrient profile is different, and in some ways, even more potent. Nutrients in broccoli sprouts. Broccoli sprouts are rich in sulforaphane, a powerful plant compound known for its antioxidant and detoxifying properties. Vitamin C, supports immune health and skin. Fiber, helps with digestion. Vitamin A and K, support eye and bone health. Folate, especially important for pregnancy and cell repair. What makes them stand out is their sulforaphane content. Broccoli sprouts can contain up to 100 times more sulforaphane than mature broccoli. Health benefits of broccoli sprouts. 1. Detox support. Sulforaphane helps the liver detox environmental toxins and may even neutralize certain carcinogens. 2. Antioxidant boost. They protect cells from oxidative stress and inflammation, which are linked to aging and chronic disease. 3. Brain and mental health. Emerging studies suggest sulforaphane may support brain function and reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. 4. Heart health. They may help lower blood pressure and support overall cardiovascular function. 5. Cancer protection. Early research shows sulforaphane might block cancer cell growth, especially in breast, prostate, and colon cancer, though more human studies are needed. How to eat broccoli sprouts. The best part? No cooking needed. Toss them into salads, wraps, or sandwiches. Blend them into smoothies or juices. Top them over avocado toast or grain bowls. Mix them into soups right before serving. Don't boil. Heat destroys sulforaphane. Start with a small amount, especially if you have a sensitive stomach. They're potent. Where to find them? You can buy broccoli sprouts at health food stores or grow them at home using sprouting kits and organic seeds. They take just a few days to grow and require minimal effort. No soil needed.
Thank you for watching our video. Please do not forget to like and share the video. Also, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated on our latest videos.